This video will demonstrate how to move users to a different program. For instructions on other roster topics, see the training resources page on the website. Okay, let's begin. So be aware first that there's no way to move users across programs via the website. You have to use the roster upload process to do so. So let's log in to maritimestudy.com. Click on the roster button in the top menu. I'm going to demonstrate two different scenarios, one where you need to move all the users from one program to another, and one where you only need to move one. First, the scenario where you need to move all users from one program to another. So for example, if you accidentally uploaded the wrong roster to a program. So let's pretend that you wanted to upload a roster to Glen Haven, but you accidentally uploaded to Berkshire Meadows instead. So I'm going to upload a roster to Berkshire Meadows. And then you realize, oh, actually, these people are supposed to be not in Berkshire Meadows, but they're supposed to be in Glen Haven. So you simply go back to the provider rosters page, click on Glen Haven, upload the same exact roster. This time you realize, okay, it says Glen Haven, and this says Glen Haven. Validate file. And you'll see here, this user status indicates that all of these users will be moved. So the moving icon is this little yellow arrow here. It says user will be moved from a different office to this office, and their information will be updated. So all of these people will be moved. This person here, because Joy Garrison is a coordinator, instead of being moved, she'll be considered an external user, external office user, where she'll have permissions to approve and edit rosters in both sites or both programs. So save file. So now you see you're in Glen Haven and you have all of the correct people in Glen Haven. Let's just go back to Berkshire Meadows to make sure that they've all moved. Yep, they've all moved. The only person that's left in Berkshire Meadows is the coordinator who has permissions for both sites anyway. So the same principle applies when you need to move only one user. So let's say I'm going to go to a different site. Let's go to Grip. And let's say that you upload a roster here. And you realize after the fact you've accidentally put Vincent Cuesta in Grip when he should actually be in a different program. So all you need to do is create the Excel roster for that different program. Let's say he should actually be in Journey Home. So let's create the Excel roster for Journey Home, and then we can include Vincent Cuesta in that roster. I'm going to open up Journey Home. This is the leadership tab. I'm going to switch over to participants tab because Vincent is a participant. So I've already filled in Vincent's information here. So I'm just going to save that and close it. So I'm going to go over to Journey Home. I'm going to upload this roster. Validate the file. You'll see all of these folks are new because they're originally in the Journey Home roster. And this one will say Vincent Cuesta is moving from Grip to Journey Home. I'm going to click Save File. And you'll see in Journey Home, Vincent Cuesta is now in Journey Home. Let's go back to Grip and check to see if he's moved. Yep, he's no longer in Grip. Please note when you're uploading a roster to move users to another program, if you've already uploaded a roster, the user will be imported as an addition. So in other words, if you upload a roster without existing users, that will not deactivate them if you've already saved a roster. So in order to deactivate a roster, you need to manually deactivate them, and there's a training video on how to do that. You can't deactivate a user using the roster system. Thanks.